Realme has quickly become a known name in the smartphone world, capturing the attention of tech enthusiasts and everyday users alike. Starting as an offshoot of Oppo, they've made their own path, carving out a unique identity in a crowded market. They focus on giving users powerful phones at prices that won't break the bank, making advanced technology accessible to a wider audience. The Realme 13 Plus is their latest attempt to shake up the mid-range market, offering impressive features that rival more expensive models. Let's see what it's all about. The Realme 13 Plus boasts a sleek design, a high-resolution camera, and a long-lasting battery. Realme phones are popular in many countries, from Asia to Europe and beyond. People like them for their good specs and reasonable prices, making them a favorite among budget-conscious consumers. The company is known for its fast-charging technology, which is a game-changer for users who are always on the go. Some of their phones charge incredibly quickly, reducing downtime and keeping users connected. This makes them stand out from other brands. Realme's commitment to innovation and affordability continues to drive their success. As they expand their product lineup and reach, Realme is poised to become a major player in the global smartphone market. With each new release, they push the boundaries of what's possible, offering consumers more choices and better value. It's clear that Realme's rise to fame is just beginning, and the future looks bright for this ambitious brand. The Realme 13 Plus boasts some impressive specs for its price point. This smartphone is designed to offer a premium experience without breaking the bank. Its sleek design and high-end features make it a standout in the mid-range market. It's powered by the Snapdragon 778G Plus processor, a solid mid-range performer. This chipset ensures that the phone runs smoothly, whether you're gaming, streaming, or multitasking. The Snapdragon 778G Plus is known for its efficiency and speed, making it a reliable choice for everyday use. You can choose from 8GB or 12GB of RAM, ensuring smooth multitasking. This means you can run multiple apps simultaneously without any lag. Whether you're a heavy user or just need a phone for basic tasks, the Realme 13 Plus has you covered. Storage options are generous, with 128GB or 256GB available. This ample storage ensures you have plenty of space for your apps, photos, videos, and more. No need to worry about running out of space anytime soon. The phone packs a 5,000 mAh battery, promising long hours of use. Whether you're browsing the web, watching videos, or playing games, this battery will keep you powered throughout the day. It's designed to last, so you can stay connected without constantly searching for a charger. And when it's time to recharge, the 65-watt fast charging gets you going quickly. In just a few minutes, you can get hours of battery life, making it perfect for those on the go. The fast charging feature ensures that you're never left waiting for your phone to power up. The Realme 13 Plus doesn't disappoint in the looks department. It sports a sleek and modern design with thin bezels around the display. The phone feels good in the hand and has a premium look. The 6.7-inch AMOLED screen delivers vibrant colors and deep blacks. A 120Hz refresh rate makes scrolling and animations incredibly smooth. This makes watching videos and playing games a joy. Section 4 Software and User Experience a step forward. The Realme 13 Plus runs on Realme UI 4.0 based on Android 13. The interface is clean and customizable, offering a smooth user experience. Realme has included some software enhancements as well. There are new features for multitasking and improving productivity. The phone feels snappy and responsive, handling everyday tasks with ease. Section 5 Competition check. How does it stack up? The Realme 13 Plus faces stiff competition from other mid-range contenders. The Samsung Galaxy A54 and the Xiaomi Poco F5 are strong rivals. They offer similar specs and features at comparable prices. The Realme 13 Plus might have an edge with its fast charging and unique software features, but the choice ultimately depends on individual preferences and priorities. Section 6. Final verdict: to buy or not to buy. The Realme 13 Plus is a compelling mid-range smartphone that checks a lot of boxes. It's designed to cater to a wide range of users, from tech enthusiasts to everyday consumers. It offers a great balance of performance, features, and design. The beautiful display, long-lasting battery, and sleek design make it a pleasure to use daily. The fast charging capability ensures that you're never left waiting for your phone to power up, which is a definite highlight for those always on the go. While the competition is fierce, with many brands offering similar features, the Realme 13 Plus stands out as a strong contender. Its unique combination of affordability and high-end features makes it a standout choice. If you're looking for a well-rounded phone without spending a fortune, this device offers excellent value for money. The Realme 13 Plus is worth considering. It's a smart investment for anyone seeking a reliable, feature-packed smartphone that doesn't break the bank. So, to buy or not to buy? The choice is clear.